In a bright green jungle, there lived a huge lion who roared so loudly that even the clouds trembled. He liked to think of himself as the bravest animal in the jungle. One sunny afternoon, the lion was practicing his super scary roar near a mango tree. Roar, he shouted. Suddenly, a tiny voice answered. The lion froze.
What was that? Who was that? A monster?
From behind a leaf popped out a teeny tiny rat with watery eyes.
Sorry, sir. I'm allergic to flowers.
The lion jumped back 3 steps.
A sneeze? That loud?
The rat sniffed.
Yes, sir. My sneezes are powerful.
Just then, another sneeze. The sneeze was so strong it blew off the lion's mane like a wig. It flew into the air and landed on a passing tortoise. The tortoise blinked and said, I always wanted such hairs. Lion panicked.
My majestic mane. Give it back.
But every time the lion tried to pick it up, another sneeze blew it farther away. Soon, the mane landed on a monkey's head, then on a sleeping crocodile, and then on a horse's head. Finally, the lion sat down. The rat walked up gently and said,
Sir, I can help if you're not scared of my sneeze.
Lion said,
I'm not scared. I'm just maneless right now.
The rat ran into the jungle, climbed up a tree, and gently picked up the lion's mane. Then, he tied it back on the lion's head with a little knot.
It looked perfect.
The lion gasped.
Wow. It's even better than before.
The rat smiled.
I may sneeze loudly, but I'm good at fixing things.
They both laughed. From that day on, everyone in the jungle could hear 2 sounds echoing together, a roar and an achoo. And every time the rat sneezed, the lion held tightly onto his mane, just in case it flew again.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Tiny Tingles.